Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can read your economic calendar on investing.com. To do so, first of all, go into Google Chrome browser and search for investing.com like I already did. From here, if you hover over your mouse on investing.com's economic calendar and click on it, you can see that you'll be transported into this kind of page. Where now if you scroll down, you are able to see all the events that are going to happen today, which is Wednesday on January 12 or 2024. And depending upon the time that you see the events, it may differ in your own country as well. From here you can see all the countries and all the events that are happening at what time of day. To learn about the calendar, you just need to scroll down and just see that at this time in this country, with the importance of a 1-star event called German current account balance N.S.A is going to happen. I'm going to show you again. In 38 minutes in Euro country, with the importance of 2-star, event of Eurogroup meetings is going to happen. And that is how you can read the events calendar on your investing.com. You can also see there's economic calendar, holiday calendar, earning calendar, and menu. If you click on any one of the calendars, you can see that the way to read the calendar is similar in each and every one of them. Just have to know that the boxes or the column or row of the calendar that is representing them. Right now, this is a company forecast or revenue / forecast with its market cap and the time given. And that is how you can read the economic calendar of investing.com. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.